So Kantamanto traders have started putting up a new structure after say the place got burnt in less than 2 weeks. They've started putting up a new structure, which it has left a lot of people talking about it. According to them, the structure now they are putting up right now is not the best. So I'm going to bring you the full details. We're going to watch the current state of Kantamanto. But before that, and as usual, if today is your first time you're coming across this channel, here is NG Digital Studios and you are currently watching NG Updates. Kindly support this by subscribing and also sharing of this content to everyone. Now let's come into the update. So just as you started here now on the 2nd of January 2025, yeah, that's already one day we are Kantamanto, one of the largest markets in Ghana here. Kantamanto is the place that anything at all you want, ubenye be. Anything, especially atadie, anything at all, shoe, opebinkwa, oko Kantamanto, you will get. One night, yes, sorry, I see the whole place ash. The whole place ash into ashes. Watch the video.
Charlie, if you are sure you can't, oh, Minister, and what tower that down my few now. Fair woodla, oh God. 2025, so now you go start. Sha. Everywhere, baby. Yes. Oh, baby, I see you, boss. Everywhere, Ben, Kantamanto, no, even know this. Everywhere, Ben. Baby, hey. Oh, this one.
So after said this happened, no, a lot of people moved to the place to console or sympathize with the traders because it left the traders, especially our mothers, into pain. Some people were saying that they couldn't even pick up anything from the shop because the fire started at midnight. So by the time they called them now, they moved from their house to the place no. Omudu no, how the fire no air shina. They couldn't even get a chance to go inside to pick anything. Until Sika newo Uden newo everything just. So the traders, it left the traders into a lot of pains. So people went there, politicians, musicians, individuals, a lot of people went there to sympathize with them. When Dishe went there, she donated an amount of 10,000 Ghana cedis to them. Cheddar went there, he donated an amount of 50,000 Ghana cedis to them. Ex-Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Omia also went there. He spoke to them. He told them that he's going to help them so that they can rebuild the Kantamanto back. After that, no, he's going to make sure that he put cameras everywhere so that they can see or more they caused that fire. Watch Dr. Mahmoud Omia.
Investigation no but say the nipa air cano na to say nipa na eba edi ejano ebeto surgery ask say the more friend but you be hwehwemo aho the right course at the bar but my bay me who say ejuma hye ase eno ama meni eji aje kakra enti mwa yeso yebeboa na market yi SCDO na boaye meaning say muhia wood muhia cement muhia roofing sheets inyina yebeboa no na yesi market yeso wi a ye wade a mepese ye ema Kantamanto for first no internal security is a very important point. We have to make sure say your internal security. They told me as part of the security the person made the cameras ever to Kantamanto. Cameras Me and maybe that because you be fear by me. But me with the cameras, you know, by the back of the BR, because you will Kantamanto again.
So after say he said this, he didn't leave them. He gave them an amount of 200,000 Ghana cedis. Now, Cheddar also went there. Individuals, Sika official went there. I saw Zion Felix. Individuals also went there to help or sympathize with them. He gave them money. Now, I'm asking the question. All that money, who took the money? Who is responsible of taking that money from the people? Sika Newen. The second question I want to ask is that why wooden structures again? Because we know say wood attracts fire, and that is why it is called firewood. And let me tell you, this is not the first time Kantamanto Eshe. I think this is the fourth time ya report say Kantamanto Ashe. 2019 Eshe, 2020 Eshe, 2023 Eshe, 2024 Asayashe. The question I want to ask them is that why wooden structures again? Why wooden structures? Wood attracts fire, and we know say after say those market women some junkie men went there to sleep and they smoke. After they smoke, leftover no more the tofem. And as another thing that when you go to Kantamanto, very horrible. Wiring. Wiring at Kantamanto is so horrible. So did they ask themselves the roots of the fire? What actually caused that fire all the time? Before putting up that wooden structure. Like Ghanaians, sometimes, I don't know. So we don't know something like permanent. Let's do this permanent. Always temporary. And the temporary too, we know the consequences that temporary something can cause or can bring. These wooden structures are more putting up. You watch the video. So that is the wooden structure they are putting up again. And you wouldn't be surprised that one day you better sorry na Rebecca say Kantamanto asanya shibim. Until all the time you people you come to square zero, mobile up, namasa ba square zero, mobile up, namasa. Is that what you people want? We understand that the country is hard, and that is what you people do to take care of your family. But safety first. You can't always come back to square zero or BM square zero. But why don't you people man tomobo? Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the ex-vice president, promised you people that he's going to help you people rebuild the market. So I didn't know man tomobo nanka mo in see market in preko. This wouldn't something in there. I don't think say is the best way. I don't know what you also think. Do you think that this wooden structures are a best way, Anna? It is not the best way. So, I don't even know what to say again. The fact that the country is hard, and that is where you people get your daily whatever, food or whatever. Safety is also one of the most important things we have to always look at it before doing anything. So let me know in the comment section, what do you feel about this? What do you see about this? Because as the place got bent, because the people that went there to donate money, people that went there, Cheddar alone gave 55,000 Ghana cedis. The ex-vice president, Dr. Mount Bawumia, gave 20,000 Ghana cedis. When the Shea went there, gave 10,000 Ghana cedis. I saw Zion Felix also there. Social media influencers, politicians, individuals, MPs went there to donate to them. Inti saa sika no nyinaa ɛwɛn. Mo ntumi amfa saa sika no put it up something permanent than this within something. Let me know in the comment section, how do you feel about this? Thank you for watching this episode. My name is Nadia Goody. I'm going to come your way again with another episode. I'm out.